What's up, guys? So this is a very nasty thunderstorm.
Scientists hope the tech will provide information about lunar soil and rockets. To give you a live view
Gonna
from our rooftop
watch it
here
from
in
here.
Maryland, as you can see, the rain is coming down as we check in with meteorologist John
Whoa.
Ford, who's telling us that there are flash flood
Whoa, that
warnings
was
in the
bright.
viewing area. John, I see you have
Close
your
that on
phone.
me. We can get close to the window.
Thunder and heavy rain in the area. I'm gonna leave this for you. Oh, thank you. I'll need it when I get out, right? Head out to home. Be careful of ponding and pooling on the roadways. Let's check it out. We've shifted from a severe weather threat and strong to severe thunderstorm to a flash flood warning. You can see how the watches have been allowed to expire. And we transition to
I just put my light switch down so it's easier to hold the camera. Whoa, that was bright. Caught that on video.
Area impacted by a consistent 2 to 3 inches north of Belleville. The blue shaded areas are
Whoa,
flood-prone
another one.
aerial flood warnings for those areas. The green area more impactful, quicker hitting from
Whoa.
through Sugar Creek over towards Breeze along Lebanon Highway 50 out that way. So don't turn around if you get into any water flowing over the roadways. Other storm
Thunder is really loud. Same night that I filmed the other thunderstorm.
Tree down, power line, possible
Wow, that was bright.
large hail, damaging wind, of course, Spanish Lake, and 2 inches of rain in Cuba, Missouri. There's that swath of wind damage across Metro North, and
wow.
large hail reports in the city.
It looks like it's starting to rain now.
Going close. See the heavy rain in Overland. We could really hear it coming down here in Maryland Heights. But the heaviest rain now, Creve-Coeur over towards Overland, University City, south towards Town and Country. We'll zoom out and around.
Whoa, that was bright.
Rain, and there you see the flash flood warning for the O'Fallon area. It is a bit concerning because not only is that a flash flood prone area, they've seen over 4 inches of rain in.
Whoa, that was loud. Whoa, that was bright.
So that is concerning from the standpoint of people.
This is a very nasty thunderstorm.
Early tomorrow for any standing water and basements, of course, too. But this is mostly heavy rain, garden variety downpours with lightning, and the watches northeast and southwest have all been dropped or canceled early. Right now we have rain and thunderstorms. Checked at Lambert, 1300s, but they
that was bright.
I would estimate right now they probably have at least a half inch of rain. In this time lapse, you can see the thunderstorms bubble and boil about 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock this evening. They canceled or suspended the
lightning is very, very bright. See what I mean? The thunder is very, very
temperatures have cooled back nicely. The air conditioner's getting a workout today. Right now it's down to 74. Southeast.
I heard the motorcycle.
1.5 miles.
The wind's picking up.
The rain or thick the clouds are. 97. 115 is the all-time hottest it's ever been in St. Louis back to 1954. So
whoa, that was bright.
Heavy rain. Again, the severe weather threat with those 60-mile-per-hour winds has abated, but we still have some weather action, heavy rain to move across the area. And then we clear nicely for Friday. Next chance for Saturday morning. And then for Sunday afternoon, rain showers. An additional 1 to 2 inches up around.
Whoa, that was bright.
The benefit off to the west around Columbia, Jefferson City, they finally saw some significant rainfall. So scattered thunderstorm tapering, some containing heavy downpours. The rain exits early morning, then our sun index improves with those clearing skies to 7 to 10. So you'll need the sunscreen. If you're playing golf, the greens will be holding, and soggy areas for those festivals and fairs that will be ongoing throughout the weekend. Sunshine to start on Sunday with spotty thunderstorms in the afternoon, and then more rain, widespread rain on Tuesday night into Wednesday. All right, John, thanks. Well, the American Red Cross
whoa, that was bright.
Blood donations. The organization says is dealing with a looming blood shortage. If you donate blood or platelets this weekend, you will receive a $15 gift card to a merchant of your choice. Now, the Red Cross is also offering other incentives to give, including an officially licensed Shark Week t-shirt and a
a chance to win a 3-night
It
trip
is
for
about
two to New York with a private shark dive
10:50
adventure at the Long
at
Beach
night.
Aquarium. To make an appointment to donate at the Red Cross, just call 1-800
Oh, it looks like it's
Red Cross.
downpouring.
And when
It's
coverage
about
you
to
can count on
downpour.
continues, your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to head to theaters this weekend. Up next, why movie critic Dean Richards says the villain in the new Mission Impossible movie couldn't be more eerily timely.
Wow, that was great.
It's the Watson's Great American Sale. Buy three bodies at only $4.99. 4-piece all-weather wicker sweaters for only $5.99. Plus 12 months interest-free financing. Now through Monday, only at Watson's.
Music at the Intersection is back September 9th and 10th with over 50 acts across.
Well, that sounded like a fart.
Featuring legendary icons Herbie Hancock, Taj Mahal, Angela Winbush, funk and hip hop giants Cameo, Arrested Development, and Grandmaster Flash.
I just called it on camera.
Favorites Denise Times, DJ Cut, Marcus Knox, and more. Experience immersive art, food trucks, and artisan vendors in the streets of the Grand Center Arts District.
Wow, that was great.
Now at musicattheintersection.org.
When in Grafton, be sure to check out the Loading Dock, offering waterfront dining, live music, and monthly flea markets. Then head to the Waterfront Saloon, Grafton's oldest tavern, for its historic atmosphere and signature cocktail. The Loading Dock and the Bloody Bucket, both in Grafton, Illinois.
That's me before dawn power wash. Now power wash gives me the power of an overnight soak in minutes. With 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish soaps that help break down, loosen, and lift away food and grease. So much
Wow,
faster, it's more
that
than
was
soap.
right.
It's power wash.
Listen, your deodorant just has to work. I use Secret, aluminum free. Just swipe and it lasts all day. Secret helps eliminate odor instead of just masking it. And hours later, I still smell fresh. Secret works. Oh, yes.
At Airbnb Puppy, we know one size doesn't fit all. When you visit us, your furry family member gets a personalized experience. We offer first-class pet spa, play camp, training, and a pet hotel. Just awarded America's coolest pet place, Yuppie Puppy, O'Fallon, and Caldwell.
It just keeps getting worse.
Well, that was too close.
Alright, that'll be it.